Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to download movies from Netflix on your laptop. Downloading movies or TV shows from Netflix to your laptop for offline viewing is simple if your device supports the Google Play Store. Follow these simple steps. Open the Google Play Store on your Chromebook or laptop. If you don't, just open Netflix on your web browser. Search for the Netflix website or app, and then launch the app and log in using your Netflix credentials. Also, these steps are applicable for desktop version of Netflix too. Tap Netflix or your profile at the bottom of the app or at the top of the website. Navigate to Downloads and select Find More to download. Browse the available movies and TV shows. Select a movie or TV show you'd like to download, then tap the download icon next to the title. Once the download is complete, return to Netflix and go to the download section. Your downloaded movies or TV shows will be listed here, ready for offline watch. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.